In today's video, I am going to teach you how to confirm if you have been blocked by someone on WhatsApp. By the end, you will know the key signs to look for and how to piece them together without guessing or relying on third-party tools. First, take a look at the contact's profile photo. If you used to see their picture and now it's gone, or if it never updates anymore, that can be one sign. Keep in mind though, people can remove their photo or limit who sees it. So don't rely on this alone. Try refreshing your chat list or checking their profile from the conversation screen to be sure it's not a temporary loading issue. Next, pay attention to your message delivery indicators. When you send a message, WhatsApp shows one gray check when the message is sent from your phone, and two gray checks when it's delivered to the other person's phone. If you only ever see a single gray check and it never turns into two, that suggests your messages aren't reaching them. This is a common indicator when you've been blocked. Still, remember that poor reception or the other person's phone being off can also prevent delivery. So watch for this pattern over time rather than making a snap judgment. Another clue is the last seen or online status. If you can no longer see when the person was last active or whether they're online, that might mean you've been blocked. However, they could have changed their privacy settings to hide this information for everyone or just for non-contacts. Consider whether you've seen their status recently and combine this with the other signs before drawing a conclusion. Calls provide another useful data point. If you try to place a voice or video call and it never connects, even when your own connection is stable, that can reinforce the possibility of a block. Occasional call failures can happen for many reasons, so test again later to rule out temporary network issues. Finally, try adding the person to a WhatsApp group. If you receive an error saying you can't add them, that's a strong indicator. You don't have to create a new group. Using an existing group you manage is enough to check. Just be mindful of group etiquette and remove the attempt if needed. None of these signs by themselves are definitive, but when several happen together, the combined pattern strongly suggests you've been blocked. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.